Hey, what's up guys, it's BarbaraBeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video. In today's video I am doing a quick, simple and easy brow tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I get my brows from bushy and crazy to this, keep on watching. So you can see how my brows look here, a hot mess. I'm going to take my Anastasia 7B dual angled brush and I'm going to brush them through. This is a great brush. Make sure you just use any angled brush that's really angled and thin, none of those thick ones. Now I'm going to take my Morphe flat brush along with my LA Pro Girl in the color Toffee and my Fit Me Concealer in the color 55 to line the bottom of my eyebrows. I find that this method is way easier for me and it takes me a lot less time to do my brows this way because it's like I'm working with the hair that are in the shape that I already have. I'm not overcompensating by doing the brow product first. So yeah, just lining that and then I'm just pulling that product down with the same Morphe flat brush. And later I'm gonna blend it so you don't have to worry about it looking too crazy or anything like that. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and I'm just going to further blend this concealer so that it doesn't look, you know, crazy. This looks crazy right now. So we're just blending it out. You want to make sure you thoroughly blend it out so you don't just see like any lines or where the concealer starts and ends. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I don't usually do this, but you know, I just did it for the video. Just taking like a smaller brush and making sure you can't see that line under my concealer, if you know what I mean. Now I'm back with the Anastasia brush and I'm brushing my hairs upwards just a little bit. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Dipbrow in the color Ebony. I'm going to rub a little bit on the back of my hand just to take the excess off so that it's not too harsh. And I'm going to start by doing like, you know, some small little strokes in my brow. As I said before, you don't, with this method, you don't overcompensate. So I know that I need my arch. That's what I like. So, and I don't have that. So I'm just putting that arch there. And then I'm going to the front of my brow and creating small little strokes, hair-like strokes with that brush and that product. And as you can see, I haven't dipped back the brush in the product. So yeah, then I'm just brushing it out and making sure everything looks cohesive. Then I'm brushing out the other side. I'm basically going to do the same thing on the other side. This brow is like completely different. So what I do here is I line the bottom of this side and like blend it in just so that it has some like a base of product in it. And then I'm going back with the arch, which I do have more of an arch there, and then I'm brushing it in. That's the thing about brows, you want to do it to customize your own brows and then creating the hair-like strokes at the beginning of the brow once again, and then just adding a little bit more at the top here, and then finally blending just with the regular eyeshadow brush here. And that's how my brows look, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, share this with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm sorry. Didn't mean for things to happen this way. I'm sorry. Never wish I caused my family pain. I'm sorry. Didn't mean for things to happen this way.